Hey guys, today I'm going to make some layered bean dip. Nothing to cook on this one, and it's usually pretty popular. My first layer is a can of refried beans. This is a 16-ounce can, and this plastic container it's about 7 by 10 inches, I believe. I got this at the dollar store, the container, and it's just about the perfect size. It actually has a little plastic cover that goes on top too, so handy if you're taking it somewhere. So we'll get these all spread out here. My next layer is sour cream. This is a 16-ounce container. I'm not sure if I'll use all of it or not. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it here. I'd say I used about 2/3 of that container, and then next we pour on some salsa. This is a 38-ounce jar of salsa, but it's not going to take all of it. I'll just kind of pour some over the top a bit there. And you don't want to get too much salsa because I have done that and it gets kind of watery. The whole thing gets kind of watery, so I'd say that is about right. That is probably maybe about a cup or so. The fourth layer is cheese. This is shredded cheddar jack, and I just kind of eyeball it just like everything else. Next is some green onion. I usually cut the white part off and just use the tops, the green part. Just take a pair of scissors and cut these up into little pieces here. Alright, this is looking pretty good. I used 2 green onions, but you can just eyeball it like everything else. And then the last thing I'm going to do is just take a knife and cut up a few of these grape tomatoes and put a few of those on top. Now we'll get a few of these tomatoes on there. Alright, that looks pretty good. And I think I'll sprinkle just a little bit of cayenne pepper on the top of that, just for a little bit of extra heat, but that is up to you. That looks nice and pretty, and now I have to wreck it. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, let's try it by ear. There we go. Pretty tasty. Every time I make this for a get-together or something, it usually gets inhaled. I'm not sure if Annie will like this or not, but we'll see what happens here. Well, looks like it's Annie approved. I will write the recipe in the description like usual. Oh, and if I didn't mention it, these are just regular old tortilla chips. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.